Okay, empowered consumers and economy drivers, please welcome Mr. Albert Hasma.
Alright, hello sir, Sir Jason and Sir Adrian.
Makabuang yung video mo, bay!
Sasalita na mo kayo ng Chairman, Albert. Ano yung Bisaya?
Clear ba yung audio natin dyan?
Si ano?
Sir Albert?
Yes.
Ayun,
Is my voice clear?
Ayun, bro.
In English naman ako.
Naku,
talaga.
Bisaya
ako,
ka, Inglesero pala to. Hindi naman pala Bisaya to, sir. English spoken.
How are you?
Yes, I'm fine here.
Okay, so hindi na natin patatagalin to. So, Sir Albert, Upline Albert, the virtual stage is yours.
All right, so thank you so much, Sir Adrian, and of course, Sir Jason. Okay, so first I would like to say thank you for giving me the opportunity to to inspire and to to share my success story to thousands of empowered consumers all around the globe. So shout out to all our business partners from different continents, like from Africa, from Europe, from America, right, from Asia, and of course from the Philippines. Right, so most especially to my team, Atomic International. Hello there. How are you? My empire, my team, my extended family, right? So you smash the heart button there if you're from Atomic International. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po? Magandang umaga, maayong buntag. All right? Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year, right? So yeah. And I would like to congratulate each and every one of us for coming out very, very victorious and very, very strong this last 2020, right? Congratulations for a very, very productive 2020. And yeah, we know the fact that 2020 was really, really a challenging year for all of us. Was really, really a tough year for all of us. Yeah, considering that there's a pandemic, right? Me personally, honestly, I just finished my my 14 days home isolation, my quarantine period, and yeah, it was not really easy. It was not really easy. Just like 2 weeks, I was alone in my house, and for sure, every one of us can relate with this, considering that we also experienced last year what we call the lockdown, the quarantine, and everything, right? So, and during my quarantine period here in Bohol, I had so much reflections, and I had so many realizations that came up to my mind, and I want to share this to all of you guys, and I want to focus my sharing based on my experience during this pandemic, because for sure you can also relate with this, since you also experienced, we have the same struggles, we have the same challenges last year, right? So now one of my realizations during this pandemic is this: you will appreciate, or you will know what you have when it's gone. Am I right? So I know most of us here, or everyone, maybe have this nostalgic feeling of all the of the activities, of all the things that we usually did before pandemic, right? And let's accept the fact that the world is totally changing now. Am I right? Let's accept the fact that the world is, very, very different because of pandemic. Maybe Paris now is no longer romantic, right? Or maybe, how about Disneyland? Maybe Disneyland has no more magic, or even maybe the people in New York and Las Vegas, because I was there a few years ago before pandemic. Maybe people there sleep. Everyone there sleeps, right? So works, or the gyms, malls, movies, etc., right? Those things are gone now, and let's accept the fact that those normal days, what we call the normal days, are gone now. And you know what, guys? Sometimes I realize that sometimes it's not, according to Sir Arnel a while ago, right? He said that it's not how we spend our time, but it's who you spend with it, right? So during this pandemic, we really appreciate our time. Spend to our family, to our family members, to our relatives, and same in our business, right? Yeah, the same in our business. I know for sure you miss those moments. I'm still clear. All right. Same in our business, right? So maybe you also miss those moments, those activities, like attending training in our office, like like meeting our leaders, like meeting our prospects, or like attending the events in MOA Arena or Philippine Arena, right? So, and you know, those activities suddenly stop, and honestly, our team found it hard to, you know, to adjust at first, because, you know, we were not yet ready during those times. So that was around March last year. So it really tested our strength, push our boundaries, right? So yeah, it's very, very challenging, but you know what, guys, this pandemic becomes the bridge that leads us to where we are right now, right? Maybe it's awkward to say that because of pandemic we have so many blessings. Maybe it's awkward, but you know, we believe that in every crisis there is really a big opportunity. All right, so now we may not be able to, you know, we may not be able to visit our office or our business center office to attend trainings, but we are so blessed, because by just one click we can now attend trainings through, you know, through video call, like what we are doing right now, right? So, or as leaders and speakers, we may not be able to conduct trainings on the stage or in front of a large crowd, but you know what, guys, because of this pandemic, we are taught on how to talk in front of the screen, like while looking at your PowerPoint presentation, and like it's like crazy, right? Like you smile alone, you laugh alone, and but I really love and enjoy doing those kind of activities, and those are the activities that, you know, I learned during this. Those are the skills that I learned during this pandemic, right? So we may not be able to meet our leaders, our downlines, you know, but because of this pandemic, we were able to build relationship with, you know, from a total stranger to become and we build that person to become a professional network marketer. So we are so grateful because of that, because of empowered consumerism. And it reminds me, when we talk about building relationship through virtual, it reminds me during our Thanksgiving last December, we have this what we call virtual Thanksgiving, and each of us had a glass of wine, right? We drank together and we get drunk together, and you know what? That was one of the most memorable moments, right? During this pandemic. That was, you know, that was really a funny moment for all of us, for the leaders of Atomic International. And you know, these are some of the positive outcome amidst this pandemic, right? So we build new skills, and you know, we learn on how to be a digital entrepreneur, a leader who can influence, right? Who can transform a total stranger to become a professional network marketer by just merely facing your screen, your laptop, right? So, but guys, I would like to all the viewers out there, I would like to be very honest very honest with you. During the start of pandemic, we tried to adapt online as soon as we could. But you know, we had so many challenges along the way. So many of my leaders told me that to find another source of income, because they thought that we would never survive, considering the nature of our business, like meeting our prospects, meeting our clients. But we tried to regroup our team. We stay loyal to empowered consumerism, and although some were not able to survive, in short, they quit, like, and some of my leaders transferred to another company, but still we make some adjustments. We create a certain path where we develop ourselves to become a digital entrepreneurs, right? So we learn the culture and the techniques of online marketing, and at first it was not easy. There's a lot of mistake, and honestly, every mistake cost us a lot of money. We had so much trial and error during that was around March last year, the start of the pandemic. So there were so many judgment. Some criticize us. There's so much criticisms why we're doing this, why we're doing that, and honestly, some turned us down. They put us down. But you know what, guys? We focus on the positive side, and we consider those things as a constructive criticism. So we made a lot of sacrifices trial and errors, but you know what, guys? We never gave up. We never gave up. We fight for our dreams, right? We keep on evaluating, and then we adjust, we evaluate, we adjust, we evaluate, we adjust. So me and my, directors club, because I have 10 directors club under my team. So we keep on, creating a certain path, a certain system where that is very easy and very duplicable, that can be applied to all our leaders, right? So, and after few months, even if it costs us a lot of money, effort, sacrifices, but here's the thing: we did not quit. We did not fall back, right? We took the risk, and we did not fall back. You get my point? And after a few months, we break our own records. In fact, recently Doc Ed sent us a message during our Thanksgiving, recognizing our team as one of the fastest and growing groups now in empowered consumerism. In fact, in the midst of pandemic, I have so many leaders who bought their cars. And here are, I would like to show some of the pictures here. All right, I would like to show some of the pictures, some of my leaders who bought their cars, and not just cars, but of course, sports cars. Many of my leaders bought their sports car in the midst of pandemic. So, direct, can I show some pictures here? I want to show some pictures here, right? Are we still? Yan! Ayan. All right, it's loaded. Yan! These are some of the top leaders of Atomic International who bought their cars in the midst of pandemic. So sports car like Jonel Cannon, who bought his Ford Mustang, Jomen Mendoza, his GT86, the Genesis Coupe by Jo Marie Anclang from Cagayan de Oro. Next, we also have, Coach Johnny Gara purchased 2 sports cars in the midst of pandemic, the GT86 and the Genesis Coupe. All right, next, we also have, these are my top leaders from Cebu. Before, grabe, pangandoy ra namon eh. Pangarap lang namin to na magka-sports car lahat. But because of empowered consumerism, our dreams turned into reality. All right, not just cars, but some of my leaders, my top leaders are now planning and, building their own house in the midst of pandemic. All right, so I would like to announce, by the way, this one. This is the latest because this is Bon Bunhayag Jr. and he texted me a while ago and he gave me permit to formally announce that his brand new Chevrolet Camaro will be released this coming Monday. Imagine how grateful we are because of empowered consumerism, even in the midst of pandemic. This guy will buy his brand new Chevrolet Camaro and will be released this coming Monday. All right, so next. All right, these are some of the top leaders, not just cars, but some of my top leaders build their their own house in the midst of pandemic. This is Yunel Paderog from Cagayan de Oro City. This is Jomen Mendoza. Right, next. All right, this is the one in the right side. That's Coach Edmond Hora, who just purchased his brand new house on lot. Coach Paul Manatad in the left side, right? So next. All right, so that's it. All right, so now, you know what, guys? And a lot of my leaders, not just cars, not just sports cars, not just houses, but in fact, a lot of my leaders got their first million check in the midst of pandemic. So that's normal. Honestly, in our team, we got some of my top leaders got their first million in just 3 months time to 6 months time. And that's normal for us. It's abnormal if you will earn 1 million pesos in 2 years in empowered consumerism, because the normal way is around 3 to 6 months time. Right? And in fact, just recently, our team created an average of 10 to 12 millionaires per month. Again, our team created an average of 10 to 12 millionaires per month. Right? So aside from that, before, there were only 8 of us who became part of the top 500 of empowered consumerism. But recently, there are around 86 from our team who are now part of the top 500, and 8 of them are now part of the top 20 last quarter. So me personally, I'm so grateful it empowered consumerism because in the midst of pandemic, my greatest achievement during this pandemic is we were able to buy another investment. We were able to buy another property here in Bohol, an 8-figure worth of property, right? So that's, to be exact, that's around 14 million pesos. That's around 14 million pesos worth of property, and we paid it cash on the spot. Imagine, we are so grateful because of this, because of empowered consumerism in the midst of pandemic, right? Who would have ever thought that an ordinary guy like me who lived in Bohol, right? Who live in Bohol can purchase that kind of property, a 14 million pesos worth of property, right? So now, again, I'm sharing this to you, not to brag our result, but of course to give us hope that there is a big opportunity amidst this pandemic. And of course, for you to realize that before we achieve this this kind of result, we also had a lot of struggles. And I want you to be aware that you too may fail at some point in your business, in our business. You too you will embarrass yourself, you will suck at something, right? So you will be rejected by by your clients, by your prospects, or you will be misconceived as scammers, right? You will be blocked by you will be blocked by Facebook. So you are really a real online marketer if you experience blocked by Facebook, right? So you will lose a lot of friends. And hey, name it all, I've been there. But take note. I'm telling you, look at me now. To all the viewers out there, look at me now. You should embrace the challenges. Why? Because it's inevitable. It's unavoidable. It's part of it's part of our success. It's part of the journey, right? You should understand the fact that that not everyone is supposed to like you. Or meaning, we should understand the fact that not everyone is supposed to support in our business. Do you get my point? You should understand that not everyone is celebrating on your success, that not everyone is cheering on your success. And that's life. And that's life. You should accept that. Because even in the Bible, David would have never become the king without Goliath. Do you get my point? Or even Jesus Christ would have never risen from the dead and brought us salvation without Judas betraying him. Do you get my point? So that's life. That's life. That even if how good you are to them, even if how beautiful or how that you offer a good business to them, but still they can find negative comments about you. You are a scammer or anything or everything what they say, because of there are a lot of people who will go against your principle in life, and that's normal. Why? Because some enemies are designed as part of our destiny. Now the question here, can we control them? Of course not. All right, so stop allowing other people to to control you. So because according to Sir Miko a while ago, we can control ourselves, right? As the saying goes, we cannot control the storm from coming, but we can prepare for it. Am I right? So likewise in our life, we cannot control how someone else behaves, but we can control how to react. So so keep running your race, focus on your dreams, not bothered by who's not celebrating or cheering on your success. So just focus, just keep running. Even when the world says give up, you get back up. Why? Because there is God who is willing to back us up. All right? Even if we are not on the same roof today, even if we are far from each other, but for sure, we share the same dreams. Am I right? We share the same vision. We share the same mission. And that mission is to help other people become successful. So dream your wildest dream in life, whatever how hard it is, whatever how difficult it is. Just say it's possible. Why? Because we have the best company. We have the best company, Empowered Consumerism. And me, my family, and my team, Atomic International, are so grateful because of EC, because we were able to survive the challenging 2020. We sailed our team through rough waters, right? And we coming out very, very victorious, very, very strong. So with that, I would like to say thank you to my team, Atomic International, my mentors, my sponsor, Christopher Gubapak, my coaches, Elni and Annette Tare, all right? So from Bohol, and of course, I would like to grab this opportunity to say thank you to all our board of directors, Doc Ed, Sir John, right? The VP, Sir Georgian, Sir Arnel, the whole management of Empowered Consumerism, all right? Thank you so much for, for actively remaining operational and continue to, supporting our EC community, like to manage essential services like the products, and most especially the, our commission, the payout, right? So thank you so much, everyone. Again, this is Albert Jasma, and for sure, 2021 is our year. To God be the glory. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Yes!
Yes!
Amen!